Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours lesser than the smaller one. To fill the tank separately, find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. In such questions, you have to consider the larger and smaller tap they have given. So time taken, and what they have asked, find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So we have to consider the time taken by each tap to completely fill the tank as X. The first one, time taken by a larger tap. Larger tap takes 10 hours lesser. So take a smaller tap. Smaller diameter tap will take X hours, suppose. Then larger will take, how much time the larger will take? Be able to hear
Yes.
X minus 10.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. Time taken by larger tap will be X minus 10 hours to completely fill the tank. Now, if they are taking X hours, smaller one will take X hours. So in 1 hour, how much part of the tank it will fill? In 1 hour, smaller tap will fill how much part of the tank?
One by X.
1 by X hours. We have to take all hour in proper proportion. That means it is, we are not considering that is a 1 hour, it will take more time, more work, it will be done, and 2 hours, it is less time. No, it is equally all are doing the work. So in 1 hour, how much ever the work is done, the same work is done in 2 hours, second hour. Then the same work is done in the third hour, and the same work is done in 4 hour, 5 hour, like that. So every hour, every tap is working the same part. So that means if it is filling, suppose in 10 hours it is completely filling the tank. So in 1 hour, how much part of the tank can be filled? How much part of the tank will be filled in 1 hour if in 10 hours it is taking to completely fill the tank?
1 by 10.
1 by 10.
1
So
10.
second hour?
1 by 20.
Second hour also 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Every hour it will doing 1/10 of the work, and finally one full work is done after 10 hours. Okay. So if time taken by the smaller tap is X hours, and then in 1 hour, how much part of the tank it will fill? 1 by X part. Tap will fill 1 by X part can be filled. Now in 1 hour, larger tap,
1 by X minus 10th part.
1 by X minus 10th part. Now, if both of them together are filling the full tank in this much hour, if both of them working together in 1 hour, how much part of the tank they will fill?
1 by X plus 1 by X minus 10.
Both tap working together, they fill the tank in 9 3/8 hours. That means 9 8 is 72, 75 by 8. 75 by 8 hours, they are completely filling the tank. So in both of them together in 1 hour, how much part of the tank will be filled completely?
1 by 75 by 8.
1 by 75 by 8 part of tank is filled. So that means it is 1 by 75 by 8 means 8 by 75th part is done. Now in 1 hour, one is doing 1x part, second one will doing 1 by x minus 10th part, and all together how much they are doing? 8 by 75th part. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is it clear? In the first part, this one, in 1 hour, what is the capacity of smaller tank? How much part of the tank it will fill? 1 by x part. Larger tap will fill 1 by x minus 10th part. Now, both of them when working together, they are completely filling the tank in 75 by 8 hours. They are filling it. So in 1 hour, how much part of the work they will do? How much part of the tank they fill? That is 1 by 75 by 8. That is 8 by 75th part of the tank will be filled by both of them. So now one part this is done, second part this is done, and altogether this is the total part of the tank will be filled. That means it is 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10. That is equal to 8 by 75. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So every time find out the part of the work done in 1 hour. If it is given in hours, time is given in hours. If it is in days, you have to find out for 1 day. If it is done for minutes, you have to convert for find out the value done. Means a part of the work done in 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day. So like that you have to calculate. Here it is given in hours, so we have to calculate in terms of per hour. What is the value? Clear? So we have to solve this.
Ma'am, so this is the value like per hour, right?
Yeah, per hour values.
Okay.
So this is x minus 10 plus x LCM. X square minus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. So x plus x 2x minus 10 into 75 is equal to 8 into x square minus 10x. So this is 75 into 2, that is 150x minus 750 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. So it is 0 is equal to 8x square minus 80x minus 150x plus 750. So this is 8x square minus 230x plus 750. Full divided by 4, is it possible? No, it's 2. 4x square minus 115x plus 375. Now we have to factorize it. So 4 into 375 is the product needed. 4 into 375 is 15 into 25. So the 115 is needed. 60 plus 25, no. 25 4 is 100 and 15. 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375. 4x into bracket x minus 25 minus 15 into bracket x minus 25 is equal to 0. X minus 25 into 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 25 hours, or x is equal to 15 by 4. 15 by 4 is not possible because smaller diameter if takes 15 by 4, then larger diameter will be negative values, which is not possible. So therefore, time taken by smaller tap to completely fill the tank is 25 hours. And the larger one will take
15 hours.
25 minus 10, that is 15 hours. Is it clear? Is the question clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have doubt in the homework you had given.
Okay. Once again, I complete this one and then because this is exercise complete.
Yes, ma'am.
NCRT completed now. We have to come to the one more question left. Right? solved question. After that, I will come back to RD only.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this if both tab working together, this part I couldn't hear it.
What happened? Which part?
Ma'am, this second part, if both tab working together from there.
Yeah, both tabs are working together in. They are completely fill the tank in 75 by 8 hours. It is given in the question. So in 1 hour, how much part of the work both of them will do? Yes, Ronak?
Ma'am, like 1 by the time.
1 by 75 by 8 hours, right? So that means 8 by 75th part is done by the both of them together. So how much is one is doing in 1 hour? 1 by x.
1 by
Second one is doing 1 by x minus 10. And all together they are doing
8
8
by
by
7.
75. So equate that. So add first and second's work and equate it to now 75, 8 by 75. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Last question of this exercise. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the differences of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two square. So that means sum of squares. It is a square, area of the square. So we'll consider side of the two squares as x and y. Sides of two squares is equal to x and y meter. Sum of areas. Area of a square is?
Side square.
So sum of squares, that is x square plus y square is equal to 468. Okay. And differences of their perimeters. That means 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. So take 4 common. X minus y is equal to 6. Then x is equal to 6 plus y. Substitute this value of x in this equation. So you will get 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468. And then now solve for y. 36 plus 12y plus y square is equal to 468. So 2y square plus 12y plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 12y minus 2, 3, 432 is equal to 0. Now everything get divisible by 2. So divide it with 2. Y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. So 216 we have to convert. Minus 216 is a product and difference is 6. 216 is 36 6 18 2 and 6 12 and 18. Y plus 18 and y minus 12 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 18 or 12. Minus 18 not possible because it is a side of the square. 18 is not possible, so 12 is the answer. So y is equal to 12, x is equal to 6 plus y, that is 18. (18) and 12 are the sides of the square. Completed? Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next question, that is an example, but which is very, very important. Most of the time asked question. Everyone finished? Other question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next question. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of circular park of diameter 13 meters in such a way that the difference of its distances from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. So it is a circular park. Okay. There is a diameter of 13 meters. It has a diameter of 13 meters. A, B is a diameter of 13 meter. There is a pole has to be erected on the boundary. Somewhere, anywhere we have to erect the pole. So suppose here. Then it's such a way that the differences of its distances from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary. That means its distance from this gate A. This is the distance. And the second from B. That is PB. Difference between these two distances is 7 meters. That means PA minus PB is equal to 7 meter. Is it possible to do so? Is it possible or not? We have to check out. If yes, at what distances from the two gates should the pole be erected? So we have to calculate first, is it possible or not? Find the relation between these three. Now for finding the relation between these three, what relation is there? These three sides of
Ma'am,
this.
ma'am, we can join P to AB, and then we can tell it's like 7 centimeters, and we can tell it's 90 degrees, and we can find the area of the triangle.
Area of the triangle, why it is needed, not area.
No, like we can do
PA
hypotenuse or
and
something.
PPH section, bhai.
So this is 90 degrees because angle in a semicircle. This is the diameter. AB is the diameter. This is the center. So AB makes the angle P in a semicircle. That means angle is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90. So therefore, this is APB is a right triangle. So therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AP square plus PB square. Now we'll find out the relation between x. AB is 13, they have given, diameter is 13. 13 square is equal to AP. PA minus PB is equal to 7. So if we consider PB as x, PA will be
7 plus x.
7 plus x. So it is PA is 7 plus x, so 7 plus x whole square plus x square. So 169 is equal to 49 plus 14x plus x square plus x square. So this is equal to 2x square plus 4x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 2x square plus 14x minus 0, 12, 120. Now divide with 2, x square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. This is the equation. They're asking, is it possible to do that? So we have to find out the value of d. D, that is b square minus 4ac. It should come a real number. That is, then only we can factorize it. Otherwise, we cannot factorize. So b square means 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 60. 49 plus 6 4s are 64 are 240. So it is 289. So d is greater than 0. So therefore, sides can be found out. Is it clear for what reason they have asked? Is it possible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And then find out with the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is minus 2 value from this equation? Minus 7 plus or minus square root of 289. We already got the value of b square minus 4ac, that is 289. Square root of 289. Divide by 2 into 1. So this is minus 7 plus 9. Square root of what 289 is?
17.
17 by 2. So this is
We could have
minus
split
7.
it, ma'am.
Huh? No,
Ma'am,
they have
it could
asked
have
is
been-
possible or not. Yeah, they have asked possible or not. So for possible or not, for that you need to calculate the discriminant value. The discriminant once calculated, so I've continued with the factorization, this one method, formula method. So value of x is 5 or minus 12. Side cannot be negative. Therefore, one side is 5. That is PB we have considered, no side. So BP is equal to 5 meter and AP is equal to 7 plus 5, that is 12 meters. Clear? Is this
Yes,
question
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is very important. One of the paper you will get this question. Any one of the paper.
Ma'am, for how much marks would this question be asked?
3.
Ma'am, so it's like a short question, right?
Yeah. So
Okay,
time they
ma'am.
have asked this question.
Okay, thank you.
Abhijit?
Can you scroll down? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Have you finished? Everyone finished?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So this is NCRT done. After this, important questions done. Yeah. Now ask me doubts. I told 4.8 exercise, right? In that, which question? Are you able to get my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
So who has a doubt? No one has a doubt.
I have doubt, ma'am. I just opened the exercise.
Okay. Others, have you finished? Not done. Till.
Ma'am, the 15th one.
Can you tell because I have 14 problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question.
A car moves a distance of 2592 kilometers with a uniform speed. The number of hours taken for the journey is one half the number, representing the speed in kilometer per hour. Find the time taken to cover the distance.
And we just have to take speed as x and time as x by 2.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
That's it here to do.
Okay, ma'am.
And time or distance is given.
Yes, ma'am, it's given.
Ma'am, which question was that?
Speed into time is equal to distance. 20, 15th
Ma'am, which
one.
question was that?
15th one. Any other doubts? Anyone else? This exercise, mark this exercise. This is important.
Ma'am, which exercise? Ma'am, which exercise was that doubt?
8th one.
Okay, ma'am.
So mark the questions you have to do from 8.9. Sorry, 4.9. Your book is 4. Page number 4.61, example 4, level 2 example, solved example 4th. Then in the exercise, second, sixth, second one. How many are there you have?
Including
In
level
ninth
2,
one?
9.
9 are there,
9.
no? The same are there, okay. So second, 6, 8 and 9. Then 10th one, all 4. Just now we have solved the 4th one. 4 are there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so 4th one just now we have solved. Eleventh one based on geometry. In that, first, second, third,
Ma'am, can you repeat the
NCRT,
10th one you said, ma'am?
all 10th, all 4.
Which page?
8.10, that is 10th one, 10th exercise, everything. All 4 questions. Exercise, all 4 questions. Then here, fifth one, sixth one, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mark the 10th one, that is important.
In the 11th one, everything except for the 4th one.
Yeah, except for everything. And then 12th one, all the questions and all solved questions also. 5 questions are there. 12th one, 5 questions are there.
And
And 6 you have. What is the 6th one? Can you read?
take
Two
two
water
water
taps
taps.
together can fill a tank in 1 by 8 hours.
7 by 8 hours. There, okay, and after that?
And that's it, ma'am.
Six, sir.
The tap with longer diameter takes 2 hours less than the tap with smaller one to fill the tank separately.
Okay, that will
Find the
only this
time
much.
tap can fill the tank separately.
Okay, just now we have solved the same question. Now here all the solved questions also. First one,
Ma'am, that's before the exercise or after?
yeah, before the exercise. Before exercise, whatever the tab 5 questions are there, no, all those 3 examples are there, no, right? There are 3 examples.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
the 3. All 3 are important.
Examples before 12th exercise.
Yeah, level 2. And 12th one exercise, all 6 questions are important. So that we will solve right now. And then 13th also, all examples are very, very important. And that one typical question was there. Mom? Yeah, example 7 and next example 8.
Ma'am, we should do all the
4.78 page number, 7th and 8th one is important.
Could you repeat the page number?
4.78. Example 7, example 8. And the exercise everything.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I had one more doubt before we end the chapter.
I'm not,
I'm not sure
right
that-
now. I'm not ending right now. I have only marked the questions till now.
Oh, okay.
We are solving more questions.
Ma'am, 4.9, any question you have to mark? I just got disconnected, so I couldn't hear.
4.9.
4.9.
So
4.
4.13 all questions.
Yes, 4.13 all questions. Important exercise that is. Pranika, 4.10 all 4. 10th exercise all 4.
Ma'am, 4 point?
10th exercise.
Okay.
All 4. 11th one except for everything. 11th one
4?
except for everything.
First, second, and third also.
Yes, living for all 11 questions. 10 questions, sorry. Then 8.12 all 5 questions, 6 questions, and all solved examples also. 13th one, everything. Before that, solved example, 7th and 8th one. 4.78 page number, 7th and 8th full. And 13th example, everything. Most commonly asked question is 8th exercise, 12th exercise, and 13th exercise. Ninth, 10th, and 11th you can do. There is nothing to this one. 12th one, we are starting right now, 12th one. This 12th exercise, first question.
Could you repeat the solved examples only?
7th and 8th.
No, ma'am,
Page number. 4.78 page number.
Other than that?
No. Other all you are solving with the different values. Everything is there in exercise.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, like now can you tell my doubt?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, like the same day that Srijitra had like a car moves at a distance of 2590 kilometers. That one I took it as distance is equal to 2592.
Yeah.
So number of hours is equal to x by 2.
Yeah.
So I found time and I like it came like x by 2 is equal to 2592 divided by x.
So x
I
into
crossed.
x by 2.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So I got x square is equal to 5184. So I got x equal to 72 hours.
Yeah.
And then, ma'am?
Yes, after that.
I found time was 36 hours. Is that how you should do, or you're supposed to make an equation out of it?
Nothing. This is the only thing you are getting.
Oh, okay. I thought you were supposed to make an equation out of it, like x.
No, nothing you are getting.
Thank you.
Exercise, sorry, 4.12. RD. First question. A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B to finish the piece of work. If both A and B together can finish the work in 12 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. So A is taking 10 days less. So again here also for everyone's 1 day's work we have to calculate. For that we will consider let B takes X days to finish the work alone. Then A will take how much time?
X minus 10.
X minus 10 days to finish work alone. So in 1 day, how much part of the work B will do? In 1 day, B will finish how much part of the work?
1 by x.
X.
1 by X part will be finished, and A will finish 1 by x minus 10th part. Then both of them together are finishing in how many days?
12.
12 days. Both will finish work in 12 days. So that is in one day, how much part of the work they will both will do?
1 by 12th part.
1 by 12th part. So then relation between them. That is one day's is A's work, B's work is 1 by x plus 1 by A's work is 1 by x minus 1. That is equal to both of them is one day's work is 1 by 12. Then solve this equation. Is this clear, everyone? This is important. These questions are important questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Gokul,
Yes,
is that
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Charan,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
any doubt in this one?
No, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I understood like everything else, but just out of curiosity, why can't we do x plus x minus 10 is equal to 12?
One day's work we are doing. X days is this taking, so how much part of the work they are doing? Where we don't. We can't do that.
Oh, yeah. 1 by x minus.
1 by x is a part of the work done. So in 12
Yes,
days,
ma'am.
or if you can do for, if you want to find out for 12 days also, you can find out 12 by x plus seconds is 12 days is work 12 by x minus 10. That is equal to the whole work. That is 1. That way also you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
do.
I understood. I understood.
Now simplify this. Others, Lisha, Khushi, Janvi, do you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Nanika,
Understood.
Monica,
Ma'am,
do you understood this question? Have you?
ma'am, ma'am.
Yes, Khushi?
Ma'am, I got disconnected when you were saying the homeworks. Can I know them now?
I have not told any homework right now. We are only told, I have marked the questions to complete. You have to complete. You and me, both together we are doing it. So 9th and 10th you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
9th, 10th, 11th you can finish it. Those are easy questions. 12th and 13th exercise is important exercise that we are doing here.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So here, Santosh, Vishnu, is that clear? Shreya,
Yes,
Samriddhi,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
x into x minus 10. So x minus 10 plus x is equal to 1 by 12. So 2x minus 10 into 12 is equal to x square minus 10x. So 24x minus 120 is equal to x square minus 10x. 0 is equal to x square minus 10x minus 24x plus 120. This is equal to x square minus 34x plus 120. So it is 40, 30. Sum is needed 120.
Minus 30 and minus
30, 3 and 4, we are right. X minus 30 and x minus 4. So value of x is either 30 or 4. But 4 not possible. Why?
Ma'am, then because
Base
the
value
work
has
done
been
by the
minus.
second one will become negative.
Yeah, so 4 minus 10 is equal to minus 6, which is not possible. So therefore, x is equal to 30. B will take 30 days. B alone will take 30 days to complete the whole work. Second one is exactly same. You can complete. And all these sentences you have to write. Don't directly write the equation and start solving. You will lose marks for that. Second is exactly same, only instead of days, they have given us hours. Everything is same actually. One pipe fills the reservoir 10 hours faster. That means how much time it will take? If one is taking X hours, so second one will take
X minus 10.
it is X minus 10 because it is doing faster. When it does faster, that means it is taking less time. The general knowledge, common sense, we have to use it here. And third question, NCRT, just now we have done today. First question only we have solved that question. But solve it again.
Should we solve the second one again?
Yes, second, third, both you have solved. Completed second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly same, all the steps you have to copy down. Nothing else you have to do. And the third one, that is NCRT, we have done. Solve that one also faster.
Ma'am, which examples are important? You told anything about that?
Which exercise? Example, all three solved examples. Before 8.12. 12th exercise, before 12th exercise, all examples. 3 examples are there, everything.
Okay, ma'am.
Before 4.11, 4.11, is there any important solved example?
All no.
Okay.
Third one. Completed.
Third one finished.
Third one done. Fourth one and sixth one same. Fifth one is important. I will solve the fifth one. Everyone, have you finished third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed everywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see the fifth question. To fill a swimming pool, two pipes are used. If the pipe of larger diameter used for 4 hours and the pipe of smaller diameter for 9 hours, only half the pool can be filled. Find how long it would take for each pipe to fill the pool separately. If the pipe of smaller diameter takes 10 hours more than the pipe of larger diameter to fill the pool. So we'll consider larger diameter pipe will take X hours to completely fill the tank. Then smaller will take how much time?
X plus 10.
X plus 10 hours because it is taking 10 hours more. Okay. Now 1 hour. In 1 hour, how much part of the tank they will fill? In 1 hour, larger will fill 1 by X part and the smaller will fill 1 by X plus 10th part. That's right. But all of them are not used for 1 hours. The larger is used for 4 hours. So larger pipe used for 4 hours and smaller one will be used for 9 hours. And after that only half part is filled. So in 4 hours, how much part of the tank the larger will fill?
4 by X.
4 by X. And in 9 hours, the smaller will fill how much part?
9 by X minus X plus 10.
9 by X plus 10. Altogether, they are completely filling only half the tank.
I didn't understand this part.
Larger pipe is used for 4 hours. So how much part of the tank it will fill? In 1 hour, it is filling 1 by X part.
Yes.
So this is in 1 hour. So for 4 hours, if it is working, how much part of the tank it will completely fill?
Okay, 4 hours. Yes, ma'am, I
So
understand.
in 4 hours, it is 4 by X. Smaller one is used only for 9 hours. So for 1 hour, if it is working, doing the part, filling the part as X plus 10. So for 9 hours, how much part of the tank it will fill?
9 by x plus
9 by x plus 10. And altogether, how much part of the tank is completed?
half of the
Half. So 1 by 2. It's clear? Everyone, is this question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Because the same question is again given in linear equation in two variables.
Ma'am, I still didn't get the bottom part. The last one.
What? Last one.
Ma'am, the larger pipe.
4 hours and 9 hours is their work done. In 4 hours, the larger pipe will, how much part it will do?
4 by x.
4 by x. 9 hours.
Okay.
Both are not used for 1 hours. Both are not working, but for different hours they are working. So for that much hours, we have to calculate the part of the work done by them.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the part of the tank will be filled by larger pipe. This part is filled by smaller pipe, and then altogether it is a half the pipe.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everyone, is this question clear? So there should not be any confusion, because the same questions are there with different values, similar values, but some different two equations there you have to form it. Here is only we are using one equation. There in the linear equations, there are two equations you have to make it. Questions are exactly same. So you should not have confusion with the quadratic equation and linear equations, because this 12th exercise is there. The same question is there in this one also, linear equation in two variables with same values. Only one more extra information is given there. Now can you solve further?
Yes, ma'am.
And this same question, but in terms of linear equation in two variables, the same question is asked this year for 4 marks. And 80% of the students has done wrong. Only 20% have done that right. Okay. You can solve the further this equation. You can complete. And 8th, 9th and 10th exercise you have to finish by tomorrow. So tomorrow I will continue with the 13th. This remaining question and the 13th exercise we will do here itself.
What's
Can
the
you repeat homework?
9th and 10th exercise, RD.
Okay.
So x is equal to 20. Minus 4 not possible. So x is equal to 20. And the larger will take 20 hours and the smaller will take 30 hours. Okay. 5, 7 is already given. So we'll stop here. You are finished.